Home workout routines have become an essential part of fitness for people of all levels, from beginners to advanced athletes. With the right exercises, you can build strength, improve cardiovascular health, and increase flexibility without needing a gym membership or expensive equipment. Home workouts offer flexibility, convenience, and the ability to exercise at your own pace, making them ideal for anyone looking to maintain or improve their fitness. To help you get started or advance your routine, here are effective home workout plans tailored for every fitness level. For beginners, starting with bodyweight exercises is an excellent way to build a solid foundation. These exercises require no equipment and help to develop strength, endurance, and coordination. A simple routine could include squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks. Begin with a warm-up consisting of 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, such as jogging in place, jumping jacks, or dynamic stretches. Follow this with 3 sets of 10 to 15 squats to target the lower body, ensuring proper form by keeping your back straight and knees over your toes. Next, perform 3 sets of 5 to 10 push-ups, either on your toes or knees, depending on your current strength level, to work the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Lunges are also essential. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps per leg to engage the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Finally, hold a plank for 20 to 30 seconds to strengthen the core, gradually increasing the duration as you build endurance. For intermediate fitness enthusiasts, it's time to add more intensity and variety to the routine. Incorporating resistance exercises, like using dumbbells or resistance bands, can enhance strength and muscle tone. Start with a warm-up similar to the beginner routine, but include more dynamic movements like high knees or butt kicks to elevate the heart rate. Move on to 3 sets of 12 to 15 dumbbell squats or resistance band squats to challenge the lower body further. Follow with 3 sets of 10 to 12 dumbbell chest presses or resistance band chest presses for upper body strength. Incorporate 3 sets of 12 walking lunges with dumbbells to increase intensity and balance. Add 3 sets of 10 to 12 bent-over rows with dumbbells or resistance bands to target the back muscles, and end with a 30 to 60-second side plank on each side to enhance core stability. Consider including 15 to 20 minutes of cardiovascular exercise, like running in place or doing high-intensity interval training, HIIT, to elevate the heart rate and improve cardiovascular health. For advanced individuals, workouts should focus on higher intensity, complex movements, and longer duration to keep challenging the body. Begin with a more vigorous warm-up of 5 to 10 minutes, including dynamic stretches, jump rope, or burpees, to activate all muscle groups. Start with 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps of plyometric exercises, such as jump squats or box jumps, to build explosive strength and power. Follow with 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps of push-ups with variations, like decline push-ups or clapping push-ups, to challenge the upper body. Incorporate 4 sets of 15 reps of single-leg exercises, like Bulgarian split squats or pistol squats, to enhance balance, strength, and coordination. Advanced routines should also include compound movements like 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps of renegade rows or single-leg deadlifts with dumbbells to engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Add a core circuit of bicycle crunches, Russian twists, and leg raises, performing each for 45 to 60 seconds to build endurance and stability.